Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel Super School. It's Chatni and I am back with another vocabulary. No, this is a new series that I'm going to begin. And this series is kind of short. It's not as long as vocabulary ones, and I will be uploading the vocabulary ones as well, because you know, as much as word you can learn with the passing days, the better it is. So in this video, I will start a series for articles. So in 3 videos, I will share important information about article. So now, if you don't know what is an article, then let me tell you. A, an, and the. A, an, and the are articles. So they are a type of determiner and placed before a noun. Okay, now let's begin a detailed discussion. So the first one is a and an. Then we will learn what is the. So there are 2 types of article. So let's begin with this, that there are 2 types of article. One is definite article and another one is indefinite article. So we are going to begin with indefinite article, which is a and an. So a and an before a noun shows that what is referred to is not already known to the speaker. So it's unknown to the speaker or listener or writer or reader. So it is the indefinite article, because here if you put a or an before a noun, it means that it's not known from before. It's any random one. For example, let's see an example. It would be much more clear. Do you live in a house? Do you live in a house? That means not any particular house. Like you just met a person. It's been twice that you have met him or her. And now you are asking that if that person lives in a house or in an apartment or in a bungalow or, you know, so on and so forth. So you ask the question like this. Do you live in a house? Not like any particular house. Do you live in the apartment just beside my friend's one? Or do you live in the house that I saw in the picture? No. So it's just any random one, indefinite one. So do you live in a house? No, actually, I live in an apartment. So here, the one who's answering is also using an before the appointment. So the one who answered has also used an before apartment, because this is also unknown. It's just any random apartment. You know, he or she is not pointing out. Now, let's begin with the. So, the is a definite article. So, whenever you are placing the before a noun, shows that what is referred to is already known to the speaker, listener, writer, or reader. It is the definite article. It is the definite article. For example, where did we park the car? So which car you're talking about? You are talking about the car that you have parked. So you are pointing out to a particular car, not any random one. The speaker and the listener know what car is being referred to. Let's see the second example. We had to paint the apartment before we sold it. So you have to paint the apartment. So the speaker and the listener know what apartment is being referred to. So the makes a noun specific. Now you know which one is a definite article and which one is an indefinite article. Yes. So an definite article, no, a definite article, an indefinite article. So for more information on article, you have to like and subscribe my channel. Also follow my Facebook page and hit the notification bell so that you get updated with my new videos. So thank you so much, and join my course if you haven't joined yet.